Okay, for today's experiment is a chemistry rocket. Now, what is that? Let me show you. So what I have here is a plastic water bottle. I put 3 pencils around it. I'm just going to close this cap really quick. When you flip it over, the 3 pencils cause a stand, so it can stand up. So I can have that stand up right here, and I've got duct tape that's secured in place. What's inside of the water bottle is vinegar. Now the vinegar is going to be our acid for today. Flip this back over so I can take the cap off. Okay. So I'm not going to launch this inside. I've already launched it outside to see the reaction that occurs, but I want to have another one for a demonstration. But I won't set it off inside. So what I have is the vinegar already set up in the bottle. And then I have baking soda, which is right here. I already have it in a napkin, ready to go. And what I would do is I'm going to take that napkin, I'm going to roll it up into like a hot dog type of, kind of make it look like a hot dog. So I'm going to roll it all together. And this has to be able to fit inside of the water bottle. So it's going to kind of look like a little bullet kind of thing. Roll it up, put it all together. So this right here is filled with the baking soda, which is going to be our base. This I would pop right inside of the water bottle. I would put this right inside of the water bottle. I'm not going to do that right now because I can't set this off in my house. I would plug the top closed, shake it, flip it over, put it on top of its stand with the pencils, and then it's going to explode. So why is this happening? Why do these two solutions explode? So when you mix vinegar and baking soda together, there's going to be a lot of bubbling and foaming. And these bubbles and the foam are going to be filled with carbon dioxide gas, and that's going to be what's being released during this acid-base reaction. The vinegar is acetic acid dissolved in water, and baking soda is the base called sodium bicarbonate. Initially, what is going to happen that this reaction makes carbonic acid, which is extremely unstable. So it's going to quickly break down the CO2 and water. Then this gas is going to rapidly leave the water, creating foam and bubbles along the way. So when you close the bottle with a rubber stopper or a cap, you're going to prevent the CO2 from escaping from the bottle immediately. So this is going to cause a rapid increase in the pressure that's inside the bottle. Eventually, this pressure is going to be too much that the rubber stopper or the cap can no longer contain these gases, and that's when you're going to have that explosion. So the stopper and the contents of the bottle are going to explode through the opening, and it doesn't take long for this to happen. So what is happening? The bottle is going to shoot upward because everything inside of the bottle, the vinegar and baking soda, are going to shoot downward. And this is happening because of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal but opposite reaction. So the initial action that's occurring is the rush of the material and the force out of the opening going one way and pushing hard against the air behind the bottle. The reaction in the air is pushing back with the same amount of force going the other way. So the bottle then thrusts forward as the rushing foam and gas shoot backward. So that's basically what's happening during this acid-base reaction. I'm going to go ahead and go outside and set this one off to make sure that I get the same reaction that I already had the first time I did it. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.